Because a 450-foot vessel is technically a seagoing motor vessel,
The Bullion Grand Maritime Trimaran? Oh, she feels good. They say the sea calls to certain souls. For me, it's not just a calling, it's a symphony. Approaching designated mooring point Alpha 7.
Prepare for docking procedures.
Copy that, Captain. What was that? Status report!
Captain, we're
Small craft approaching fast, multiple bogeys. Not on my watch. Security, full alert. Engage defensive protocols. Prepare countermeasures. Let's see how they like a taste of their own medicine. This Bullion Grand Trimaran is one badass ship.